Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to make a little follow-up video of this Case Comfort King, and I got a little follow-up on the Farmall Super C. We actually got a whole bunch of new projects in here, some pretty cool stuff. But this is more going to be just a little follow-up video. So this old girl, pretty nice old tractor. It's old, it's rough, but needed a whole laundry list of stuff, and of course, none of it was easy. It had some pretty major hydraulic issues we had to get figured out. It ended up nothing was majorly wrong. It was just a lot of ghosts that were pretty hard to chase if you've ever dealt with hydraulic systems in general. Never mind something I haven't really dealt with just yet either. So we got brand new tires on the front. We did new exhaust and intake gaskets, cleaned the carb, fuel filter, sediment bowl in the back here. Tires are pretty well gone on this, but we did some new fittings, and I still got to get this all buttoned up back here, but whole bunch of stuff. So new hydraulic fluid and filters, and I mean, it fires up, tap of the key. Pretty cool old tractor. So the only thing left I got to do is weld up a big crack on the other side here. I got to plate that like they did this, and get it all nice. I do have a couple of buyers lined up for that. So the Farmall Super C over here, we'll be doing a little I'm gonna do actually a full video on that pretty soon. I just got some parts ordered, but we actually, pretty big news, we got the whole shop finished here last weekend. Still got to get buttoned up and organized a little bit, but it's pretty good compared to what it was. We got the grill, we got a nice big flat screen, so no complaints here. Just got a 1586 here, I don't know, a couple days ago. Needs a clutch, so I'll be doing a video about splitting this guy, and we might do a cab kit and a couple other things. Pretty nice tractor overall. It's pretty dry, really no big leaks or nothing. Good tires, brand new rims. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing, and feel free to comment. I'm going to get to every one of you guys' comments if I can. So in another big project here, we got a gentleman out of Kansas dropped this off. He actually bought one of my Allis 7080s off of me. That was actually a real nice tractor. I got him a good deal on that. So in turn, he got me some more work. Actually, he was pretty impressed with what he saw around here. So but we got a Allis WD-45. This is his wife's father's tractor that is now since passed away. So they're wanting to surprise her. She has no idea about this actually. So surprise her for Christmas. I got to get this done here pretty darn quick, but that's what we do around here. So we got all the parts sitting over here. Those are different. That's from a different motor project, but got all the parts sitting here, an in-frame kit, and a whole bunch of goodies there. So, but yeah, so we'll be pulling that Farmall Super C in, and let me know what you guys think and what you guys want to see for videos and content. Definitely want to keep you guys watching videos and keep you guys informed and happy. So, but I did end up ordering, it only needed a few things: spark plugs, wires, and valve cover gasket. Well, while we're doing the valve cover gasket, I think what we're going to do is reset the valve lash on the valves, because the first video I did of the Arrival, the push rod, two of the push rods on those two one or two cylinders, however many it was, I forget now. The push rods are completely off. So I'm sure it's time to get that valve lash straightened out. But couple cool little things. Then I'll have my girlfriend, I actually gave her that tractor, so that's hers now. But we'll show you what we got going on with that. I fixed the hydraulic issues. There's just a couple lines and the system was empty, and I ended up actually cleaning the filter out and just a couple stupid things. And it's actually a nice tractor, so we can hook the disc up if you guys want to see that and go disc a little bit, or brush hog, or whatever you guys want to see. So also, just to end on a high note, I'd like to do some hat and t-shirt giveaways to some subscribers. trying to make it more public, more known on my channel. So if you guys could help me out, share some of my content, and I'd be happy to give away some t-shirts and hats we're getting made here pretty soon. So also thinking about doing a revival here pretty soon again, and also one of these revivals I'd like to make a giveaway for subscribers. So thank you guys very much for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.